I'm excited about this fully funded scholarship opportunity that is open for application in Hungary to all international students pursuing their bachelor's program, master's program, one-tier master's and doctoral program for the academic section 2024-2025. This scholarship covers your full tuition fees, so no payment of tuition is required, plus a monthly stipend of about 500 euros depending on your study program until the completion of your studies. There is also a free accommodation for the whole duration of the scholarship, plus a travel allowance, which is around 500 euros per academic year. You would also have access to medical insurance, and the programs are taught in English in the fields of medical and health sciences, engineering, architecture, social sciences, economics, agriculture, arts and humanities, as well as information technology. And the application is, of course, free of charge. I'll be sharing all the necessary information you need to know regarding this scholarship, so consider watching this video till the end.
Hi, my name is Sylvia, and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends.
This is what the scholarship is going to be covering: tuition-free education, monthly stipend, accommodation, reimbursement of travel costs, as well as medical insurance. The visa administration and the extension of the residence permit is free of charge for scholarship holders. And the online application is now open. We are happy to inform you that the scholarship program for Christian young people online application system for 2024-2025 academic year is now open, and is open until the 10th of January 2024. So this is the call for application for the scholarship program for Christian young people for the academic year 2024-2025. I would encourage you to read through this particular call application thoroughly, because it has everything basically that you need to submit a successful application. But importantly, this scholarship is available to those that are pursuing their bachelor's degree, master's degree, one-tier master's program and doctoral program. And these are the duration of the program as well as the qualifications you'll be getting at the end of the program. And all of the program must be full-time. The provisions covered by the scholarship is a tuition-free education. You'll be exempted from the payment of tuition fee, and you'll be receiving a monthly stipends for bachelor's, master's and one-tier. You'll be getting a monthly amount of 166,000 Hungarian forints, which is approximately 450 euros a month, for 12 months a year until the completion of your studies. And if you're going for your doctoral level, you'll be receiving 140,000 Hungarian forints, which is approximately 380 euros in your first phase of education, and you then get 180,000 Hungarian forints for the second phase for 12 months until the completion of your studies. You would also be receiving a free dormitory place or a contribution of 40,000 Hungarian forints for your accommodation for the whole duration of the scholarship period. And there is also a travel allowance of 200,000 Hungarian forints per academic year, plus a medical health insurance covering you for the duration of the period. And regarding eligibility, if you are from the following countries, you will be eligible for this particular scholarship. The countries are Lebanese Republic, Republic of Ghana, Republic of Niger, Republic of Chad, Republic of Iraq, State of Israel, Palestine, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Syrian Arab Republic, Republic of Kenya, Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Republic of Armenia, and Nigeria. So these are the countries that are eligible for this particular scholarship. And this is the list of the available study programs. So depending on the institution you are interested in, or rather depending on the level of your degree program, you can select the institution, and the programs are all listed here. If you're interested in your bachelor studies, a whole programs are listed here. They also have nursing for those interested in the nursing profession, as well as pharmacy, physiotherapy, biotechnology for those interested in this profession. So you can take your time and go through this and search for your course. And to send in your application, all you have to do is to come to this page. You scroll down to the online application for academic year 2024-2025. You click on it, and here you click on the person icon to register and sign in. And once you've signed in, you click on Find Programs. You can search by all institution or you can search by specific institution if you have any institution in mind, but I'm going to search by all institutions. And right below, you can search for bachelor's degree. If you're interested in bachelor's degree, they have 56 bachelor's program open. You can search by 1 year master's or by master's program or doctoral program. And then you select academic year 2024-2025 and you click on find programs. Based on my search, a total of 56 results were found. And here you can see all of the courses that we have found. They're all in English language, and this is the universities. And you can see the apply now button for the academic year 2024-2025. And the application deadline is until the 10th of January 2024. And you can click on more information to see more. You can scroll down and go through it and see all the programs that are offered and the universities offering them. And if you're interested in any of them, all you have to do is to click on more information. So I'm going to click on more information for civil engineering. Let's have a look. And right here, you can see this is a bachelor's degree program in civil engineering in this university in the Faculty of Architecture, Civil Engineering and Transport. The study language is in English. The nominal duration is 8 semesters. So basically, everything you need to know regarding sending the application is right here. And you can see the countries eligible for this scholarship and see if your country is on this list. And by my right, you have the option to save this to your wish list in case you want to come back to it later or in case you are still searching for other programs. Please note that you can only apply to one program in regards to this particular scholarship. And to start the application, you click on apply now. And right here, you can see I have one application that has not been submitted and 7 unresolved tasks for the academic year 2024-2025. And to start the application, all I need to do is to click on edit application. And you then click on each of these tabs to fill them out. Please note that everything in Asterisk is important. And as well go to the checklist section to see the important information that needs to be uploaded. Importantly, since this particular scholarship is a scholarship for young Christian people, you must be a member of the following list of Christian churches in order to be eligible to send in your application, because you will need to get a recommendation letter from your church. And these are the list of the Christian churches that are eligible for this scholarship. So if you're a member of these listed churches, then be sure to get a recommendation letter from them. As always, I would encourage you to go through their frequently asked questions. A whole lot of questions are covered here, which will help you to understand more about this particular scholarship and how to apply to it successfully. I would also encourage you to read through their websites carefully, as well as the annexes to the call for this application, so that I can understand everything about this particular scholarship. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.